gonna tip just a touch.
It'll tip it down.
Just a touch.
I'd say you gotta be kept it good.
Yeah. It's only double line right here, but that way. There it is.
We give it safe zone.
Yeah. You don't want to get back in the corner. You want to get out. Steve, go.
Let me get close.
Light's up, right?
Is it?
It's sagging on the gear side.
Should.
Whoop.
Swing over, swing in, a little bit. Down a little bit. Whoop.
There you go.
Oh, I see it. Oh,
Now swing over a little more.
There you go. I like that.
oh, look at that.
Hey, you gotta turn.
Little turn.
I can boom up or down a little too.
Come down a little, Steve. We can roll the wheel.
I see what Corey's looking at his mesh. Gotta go up with it, Corey?
Good. Hold it right there. Which way is easiest? There you go. Yep.
Boom. Oh, too much. There you go, right there.
Grab that bar. See if on the ground again? Yeah. Tell me what, right there. Good, Jeff? Wait.
Yes, looks good.
Pick it up a little more, Steve. Let's go roll the wheel though.
Boom.
There's the baby's born.
Woohoo! Look at that. You got another 2 inches.
No, we're gonna be flush on the outside. It hit the. Did it hit the spacer? You felt like it hit the spacer. That's good.
What?
Do we get the want the nut? No, it's just like.
Okay, so here's my question. Before we set it down, you know, and add another 3 ton, we got enough stand. Do we want to put a board underneath there to take some of that off? Because we're gonna add a lot of weight to this one
Right.
side here. Just
Well,
a
but
second.
that stand's good for 12 ton feet.
I know.
Nice.
Just gonna come back.
Get it in? Got a quadruple gun? Oh yeah. You don't buy them Harbor Freight ones, you buy Lucas.
Look how we're matched up with
Perfect, ain't it?
Steve. Can I borrow this?
Nice job, gents.
Corey, how you doing, buddy? What do you need, tap?
1906 fit and finish.
Oh, you're off, huh?
Huh?
Off and running? Either that or he's still on
Oh, the hull on the...
We have contact.
Oh, the hull
Now,
on
what
that
if I should do
thing,
the...
Corey?
That's the other side right
Yeah, something like that.
You got that thing?
Huh?
How much you need out of it?
Fight, get it out.
Is that for the boat? Still got a little more. I like it.
Wheel number 2 in transit.
Jeffrey the man.
Smiles all around. Gotta go north. Mr. Bradley.
Watch it. Watch it.
Okay.
About 8 inches.
Gotta go north about 3 inches. That's good, Wiley. We'll get in between you. Come on. I want to see it.
I'm not gonna get
Now you gotta go south a little bit. Man, right there.
I'm out of extensions, so I'm going to move down.
Okay. There you go. That's good.
I know.
She'll swing now.
You're in.
She got the wrong stick.
Come down just a hair.
Let him swing in, it'll come down.
Oh, yeah. Feels like she's flying.
I'd come down just a little on the outside. There you go. Beautiful. Come on in, gentlemen.
Well, see, as we swing, you got to come down.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
That's it. Got a video of it?
Oh, we're on.
We need to mesh your gear. Go. Let's go counterclockwise, Mike.
Boom, you're there.
Right there.
Come on in.
Do you need some lemon power?
Yeah. Yeah, just control your scream. Hold on, we must get this. Yeah, hold on, I gotta go up. We gotta. Yeah. How's that?
Yep, come on.
Sit down right here. You might be able to get some strap here. Oh, he's swinging. Going in. And go down.
There you are. Lovely.
There's a gap on that one.
Oh, real?
About the same, ain't it? You're a little bit higher on this
High on this
side.
side a little bit.
But it's about right, ain't it? Or you want to come down some?
We can come down a little bit on this side.
You think you're about right on the other one?
If we come down on this side, somebody's phone.
You're exactly right.
Nice work, Smiley.
Thanks.
Yeah. Yeah. We can let loose so we can get the other one. Although I put it on there. I'm putting it inside. Okay, good.
Sorry.
Down and then go back up.
Well, I've been running it out.
Yeah, that'll work.
Oh, there you go. Yep.
A little more steep. Down.
Yep. Oh. Up. There you go.
Something wrong. Gotta come there. Down here.
There she's going. Go west, young man.
Lock up.
No. Just got too tight. There you go. Too tight.
Still going.
That'll go there. Let's keep going, Kevin.